Hi, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can convert this guitar amp into a speaker for your smartphone or any device. Now what you want to do is the equipment you need is a smartphone like so, or any device that has a 3.5mm jack input. Now you want to have this type of cable, a cable that's 3.5mm jack and a 1/4 jack at the end. Now once you have that, you want to connect the 1/4 jack into this part, like so, the one that says input. Connect it into that. In the other end, you want to have it go into your smartphone. Make sure the volume is not too high before you start, like so. On your smartphone and amp, make sure the volume is not too high. Now we can turn on the speaker to test it out. Now let's test the speaker like so. I'm going to put some music. So that's it for this video, guys, on how to turn a guitar amp into a speaker. Please like and subscribe for more how-to videos like these ones. Bye.